get this show on the road. Probability of them hunting today is minimal. Normally happens on a Thursday, doesn't it? We've already stopped for a pit stop. James didn't know, so that was a surprise to you. If it's gonna happen anywhere, it's gonna happen out there.
What's up, goat?
What's happened with the laundry machine, bud?
They've broken it somehow.
Without my love for the ocean, I would be long gone by now. It's some kind of devotion.
So for the first time I've had a good sleep in about 3 days after I burst my eardrum. I've pretty much been awake most nights because of the pain. I've been on the antibiotics, but I'm feeling a bit better this morning. I actually had a good sleep last night. Nat didn't have too good a sleep last night, so she's still in bed. So I'm going to cook her up a big breakfast, Canadian style. We got home fries, bacon, eggs, toast, you name it. So the only thing missing is maple syrup, but I'm out of that.
James needs to give his ear some time out of the water, so we dust off our trainers and set off in search of a trail. Let's get this show on the road. Alright, so we're at the start of our trail and we're already pretty knackered.
Yeah, we have no
really.
idea how long the trail is, where it goes, but it's heading up. So
No, we probably should have done a bit more research.
yeah, I forgot water too.
Yeah, I think it's up those steps.
Are we lost already?
Yeah,
We've only gone like 200 meters.
I know. That's what poor planning does. Yeah, I think you go up those steps and then through there.
Oh, well, let's do that then.
Unless that's a hunting ground, which in Spain that's very common. I haven't seen any signs though, and the probability of them hunting today is minimal. Normally happens on a Thursday, doesn't it? At least in Madrid it does. I don't know about here.
Oh, let's go check it out.
Started out without flaws to care about. We were both young and sure. No, we're not, no, we're not. What did I say? You should worry about. You should worry.
We've already stopped for a pit stop.
I think we probably walked like 500 meters tops. And I mean,
uphill.
It is beautiful, as you can see behind us, and it's twice as big in front of us. But God, we're out of shape.
Yeah, it's like we're the most unfit people ever. But that's what the boat does to you.
Sure
I
as
think.
heck does. Our cardio is absolutely shot.
Yeah.
So, but if you like rock climbing,
This is the place to
whoa.
go. Rock climbing every day of your life.
Every day.
James hasn't stopped talking about that since we started the walk.
Yeah, pretty much. So.
Unfortunately, he left all his climbing gear in Australia, so
Yeah, I didn't bring much of it, did I?
no.
And yours.
And mine, yeah.
All right, well, let's check out what else this trail has to offer.
Let's keep walking.
Let's keep walking. Check out all of these climbing routes. This is what Nat and I were talking about before. There's just so much climbing in here, and it's all really good quality rock.
You've distracted his munching. He's just having a good old day, eating his food.
Here's got a big goatee.
I think we're almost there.
Yeah.
Because that looks like water.
Oh my gosh. That's a pretty good walk. I reckon that's right. I see ocean.
We went like that for years, with a straight path to walk upon. We could win every time. No, we won't. No, we won't.
So we made it to Calabokur. So it's absolutely stunning.
No, I think it's rosemary. Yeah, it's definitely rosemary.
It's rosemary. I can smell it from here.
Yeah, it's rosemary.
And there's so much of it, isn't there? Like,
Yeah.
just rosemary everywhere. I'm so out of shape right now. We've only hiked up like 50 meters in elevation and we're exhausted.
Yeah.
God.
Not good. Well, that hike was definitely well worth it.
That was awesome, that hike.
Yeah.
I totally didn't know we had a beach at the other end of the hike before we
I
started.
did because it said colour
Oh.
of whatever, which means like bay of. But anyway, James didn't know, so
I
that was a
wasn't paying
surprise
attention.
to you. And it was, what do you reckon, 2-hour hike or something?
Yeah,
There and back?
Hour each way.
An hour each way, yeah. So it was a nice short one.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
And,
Lots of goats.
Yeah, it was excellent. I really enjoyed that. So if you're here, definitely do this one. I can't remember what the colour's called.
Ah, we'll check.
Colour does something.
Alright, now, what movie am I making you watch now that is long overdue?
Captain Ron. There's been loads of comments about it, and everyone says, if it's going to happen anywhere, it's going to happen out there. Rah, 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 rah. Captain Ron, Captain Ron. So now I'm finally going to watch Captain Ron. I get some awful news and fly back home to be with family. During this time, my youngest brother Brandon comes out to keep James company. They do some more exploring around the area and enjoy some lazy days at anchor.
Hmm. 500 raptors. Some Jurassic Park. What's up, goat? Brendan is feeling a little car sick at the moment. They are pretty darn windy roads, aren't they, buddy?
What's happened with the laundry machine, love?
I've broken it somehow. No, it's broken. I don't know what's happened. So he's going to try and fix it because I just put a ton of detergent in there and we only got €1 back from 3, so it's eaten up €2. He's going to fix it though.
Machine go fuck zero.
Round 2.
Round 2. Let's hold this away. Alright, so close lid and it's still says 3 on there.
Okay.
We have returned from our laundry expedition, and check out Nat's laundry efforts here. How's it going up here with the laundry?
Full laundry day today. Nearly done though.
Yeah.
It's not too bad. Just the whole boat. Looks like a laundromat, but apart from that, yeah, that's one thing that I definitely miss from being back home and just having the conveniency of whatever you wanted to put on a load of washing.
Yeah.
That is massive difference.
It's definitely a challenge wherever we go, isn't it?
Yeah, because you're kind of researching laundromats, and then you get there and some charge a bomb, then it's busy, then it doesn't work like today, and then you lose your money, and it's just, I don't know, it's just like, so, and like it takes you a whole day. Like, what time is it? Like 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's taken us literally all day to get just laundry done.
Yeah, it's taking
I mean, granted we had a lot of laundry, but still, there was like 3 washers, 1 dryer, and it's just been, and then we only had 1 washing machine that was working. Yeah, it's been a hectic day of laundry. The truth is, I left James here and he did no laundry, so I got back and have had to do all the laundry. That's the actual truth. Which, yeah, laugh it off.
You know, laundry's not my strong suit.
No, it's never been.
Well, we've had some bad storms the last couple days, and it has not stopped raining, and it's been really windy. We've had upwards of 30 knots so far at the anchorage, and one of the things we haven't been able to do is we haven't been able to make any water. So I'm going to do a water run today and try and fill up the tanks. I don't know whether it'll be free at the marina, but I'm going to do my best to hunt some free water here. Well, water mission was a bust. In Mallorca, the water's not potable from the tap. I don't know. We need to run the water maker, so probably gonna have to run the engine and run it for a few hours, make some water. So, because we are completely out. Yeah. So, no good.
We are off to have our anniversary lunch because it's 9 years today that me and James have been together. We've got chocolate cake, we got coffee, and we're just waiting for Ethan to arrive, and then we will be celebrating. We've decided to go out for a quick run for our first time ever in I don't know how long.
So I think we got a problem with the alternator.
I can't believe it. Oh, my.
Consider clicking on us to subscribe to our channel and follow the journey aboard Zephyr.
Ages. I think it goes between the ridge lines here.
That was a really long one.
Do it one more time.
Sounds like a dog barking, but it's you.
It just keeps going and going.